Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Microsoft Teams channels and tabs for organized work step by step clearly. Open Microsoft Teams and navigate to the team where you want to configure channels and tabs. To create a new channel, click on the three dots next to the team name. Select Add Channel from the drop-down menu. Enter a name for your channel that reflects its purpose. Optionally, add a description to provide more context. Choose the privacy settings for your channel, either public or private. Click Add to create the channel. Your new channel will now appear in the team list. To add a tab within the channel, select the channel you just created. Click the plus icon next to the existing tabs at the top of the channel. You will see a list of app options. Choose the app that best fits your needs. After selecting an app, follow the on-screen prompts to configure it. For example, if adding a document library, choose the relevant file from SharePoint. Once you've configured the tab, click Save or Add to finalize it. You can rearrange tabs by clicking and dragging them into your desired order. To edit or remove a tab, click the drop-down arrow on the tab. Choose either rename or remove as needed. Make sure to communicate with your team about the changes you've made. Encourage team members to explore the new channels and tabs for improved collaboration. Regularly review and update your channels and tabs to ensure they meet team needs. Utilize descriptive names and logical groupings to maintain organization. With these steps, your Microsoft Teams environment will be well configured for organized work. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.